It's a space that mediates between the specific and the unique.
I'm one of the directors of Panovscott Architects. Andrew is my partner in life and business, and together we were the architects for this house.
The original home was one of 16 terrace houses that are exactly the same, but what makes it unique now is that it's changed.
The skylight upstairs, it's been called the cloud skylight. So you'll notice that the cupboard doors go all the way up into that skylight, and when you open a door it forms an arc. We found spots for a lot of storage in a way which appeared quite smooth and seamless, and everything had a place. With the children's bedrooms as well, we've used a real range of natural materials. So we've got the warmth of different plywoods, and we've got the timber flooring, and we've got the different ways that light comes into the room. And we really hope that a combination of all those things sparks those children's imaginations.
Boost ignition and lift off of this.
Hopefully the kids that get to grow up in this home will love lying in bed and looking up through that skylight, you know, wondering about the stars.
This balance between what might be radical and what might be appropriate was a key consideration in terms of the development of the design here, because there's an opportunity for the house to allow people to live in a way which is contemporary, which is connected to light and air, which has a totally different decorum for living.